S&P 500, we can see this week was a bullish one for the price, and we can see that price has made a breakout above 4,700, and the price has continued to rise in value, and the price reached an round number 4,900. From here we can see that the price did not stop. It has reached higher price level and reaching 4,906, and then returned back down. A small bearish candle that has formed on the Friday. It is just some kind of a small selling pressure that has been activated after the bulls have exited trades that have took the price from area from here. On the weekly time frame we can see that this week will be also a bullish one as the next one, and we can see that the price did not return back down, confirming this bullish breakout as valid one. So we can see this one means that the bulls are so strong, and also the bullish momentum is so strong, there is no selling pressure that could return back down this one. So we can expect the price reaching higher price levels even more. On the monthly time frame, this month the price has made a breakout to the upside, closing above 4,784, which is a demand zone, and the supply zone is very important level for the price. Now we can see that this all-time high the price is reaching, and also we have 3 more days until this month ends, which means we have 3 days to see how this month will close. For now, as it looks, it will close as a bullish one because there is no signals, any selling pressure that could return the price back down. But important level for the price on the monthly time frame is that the price should not close below 4,700, just in order to validate, just to be the first step of this bullish breakout. If it returns back down, this will mean that the price has made a wick on the upper side, and it is very strong selling pressure pushing the price down. We can see this month the price has formed this wick, which means the selling pressure that was here was cancelled by the buyers and also the bullish momentum that took the price over up here. And we can see when the breakout happens on the bullish side or the bearish side, the next month is much appreciated to form as a validated candle, which means the price will turn back down, making this support as a valid one, and then continue to rise in value. Now if we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that the price has gone outside of this trend line, which means this uptrend channel. The price has made a breakout to the upside, and it has rising in value much faster than this channel, which means the bullish momentum is pretty strong, which also shows why this previous week was not validated as a valid one by returning back down to this support level. When the price makes this kind of candle, not returning and confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one, this means just a pretty strong momentum, in this case bullish momentum. Now if we go to the daily time frame, we can see that we have here, I will put here also one, which will be 5,000. Just a minute, and I will show this one on the daily and also on the weekly. Change the parameters to the weekly and put this one for 5,000. Okay, and just a minute, let's insert supply demand zone. This will be around this one here. Change this one also, visualization also only on the daily time frame. Okay, so for the next target, if the price closes above 4,900, the next one will be a round number, which will be 5,000. If the price goes above, this will be next target, but also it will be all-time high for the price. Now if the price returns back down, reaching this area 4,800, this will be some kind of a sell-off, and we can expect that the price will bounce from this area here because of the strong bullish pressure that has made with this bullish breakout to the upside. It will be very hard for the price to go down and closing below this demand zone, but we will see what happens during the week. We have 3 more days until this week ends, so anything can happen until this month ends, sorry. The next week we have 3 days, so we'll see what happens. Will the price try to make a breakout to the upside, or it will return back down? What is a very important level for the price will be this one here around 4,800, because we can see that prices stop it and also return it back down around this one, which is a small support level currently acting for the price. Now, we also have here a trend line, which is a weekly trend line that will prevent the price from falling down because it now acts as a support level. If anything happens on the market next week, I will also mention that inside the trading community, where I share the daily analysis on the symbols that have made some kind of significant movement, breakout to the upside or the downside. So if you would like to check the daily analysis, if there is anything happening on the market and when something happens, what would be the next target, I'm sharing that inside the trading community. The link will be below inside the description. So if you would like checked, feel free. That's all for today, and also see you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.